Usihlalo we-Public Service Commission uthi kumqoka kakhulu ukuthi le ngqungquthela iphume nesisombululo sokuxazulula udaba lwenkohlakalo kuleli. Uthi izakhamuzi izakuleli seyikhathele ukuzwa kukhulunywa ngenkohlakalo kepha kungathathwa inyathelo.
This now is the new frontier of the struggle to once again ensure that the few do not take common goods and services so that they serve their own interests. It is against this backdrop that the PSC felt that we need to have this gathering. But you do know that the country, people are restless, they are angry. It can no longer be another workshop, another seminar, another indaba, another lehotla. They want action.
Iphini likasomlomo wesishayamthetho sikazwelonke lithi kuningi okufanele kuguqulwe endleleni yokusebenza ngayo uhulumeni ukuze kuqedwe inkohlakalo kuvikelwe nabantu ababika izigameko zenkohlakalo.
The changes that are necessary that have shown the intelligence agencies not to have acted appropriately, so that both the committee, for example, but also in the agencies themselves, wherever they are located, that these changes must be considered, must be looked at and handled so that we can effectively prevent corruption without sacrificing the necessary security that is always a key to the defense of our sovereignty. Without security, we can't be successful in that area.
Let's make sure that we prioritize the implementation of the finalization of a new Protected Disclosures Act with a broader ambit, but more importantly, making sure that whistleblowers do not suffer financially.
Le ngqungquthela iyaqhubeka.